Hudson. Indy something.
And
Hudson, I beg his pardon.
he ran on Hughie Walker out of the times by 6 seconds from Duncan Pitchway.
Wow.
But here he storms up towards the line. And does he narrow the margin at the end of that lap? He's threading away from the traffic. Christopher Mann with the Alfa Romeo. There's the car that's fastest then, Hughie Walker. The car that dates back to, and there's a huge amount of commitment being put in. It twitches left and right, and he's now done an absolute best within the first sector. So Hughie Walker here, as the weather deteriorates markedly, could go even faster. He's got 6.5 seconds, give or take, in hand over Duncan Pitaway. But Hughie Walker, look at the effort being put in. Massive steering wheel correction. Big slide. He's still sliding. He's still fighting it. Brilliant stuff. Just about comes out as the winner of that battle with the car.
See the advantage of having very quick steering.
Yeah.
Lock to lock in one smart movement.
Quite something to watch, isn't it? So can he go even faster? 2 minutes 14 is the pole lap. Those tyres that are so skinny, so narrow, very little, of course, touching the ground. But yeah, 2 good sectors are being put in, and did lose time with that slide, but even so, it was pretty decent. And now they understeer coming out of Woodcote. Then the back steps out of line. I suppose one of the beauties of here of these is that it is actually a tarmac surface. In period, they were horrible rough roads.
They were. With cats and dogs and hens and grannies crossing the road in front of you.
Right, for 2 minutes 14 to beat. You might yet do it, you know, despite that big slide. Yes.